Well, let me go to one of DA's favorite topics here. The Tampa Bay Rays. Tampa Bay Rays from Jack Bear from Yahoo Sports. He said today the Tampa Bay Rays are set to return to Tropicana Field in 2026 thanks to a vote by the St. Petersburg City Council, which approved $22.5 million to replace the stadium hurricane-damaged roofs. The damage came from Hurricane Milton, which shredded the old Teflon fiberglass roof. The new roof will use the same material.
That's good. Glad to hear that.
The new roof will be the same material.
That's not good. But go ahead.
The total repair bill is expected to be $55.7 million, covering both the roof and the interior renovations